Today we are in Antigua. Looks like it's a pretty nice day today. I think they said that the high is 84 today. Got some performers down there playing some steel drums. Let's see if I can film some of that before we go to the beach. We're going to try to get to Valley Church Beach today, and that's where we'll be all day. Beach Harbor in Antigua. Pretty nice view, although the water looks a little bit cloudy, so let's see how snorkeling goes. Smaller than ours. You can see all the people still getting up from Caribbean. Right now we're waiting for a few more people to board the ship. They don't really know where they are, I don't think so. Hopefully they're here soon and we can leave port in Antigua. It is now 4:50 and we're supposed to all be back on the ship at 4:30. We're still waiting for a few more people to board the ship before we take off. Here's the last two people we're waiting on.
The funniest thing. Yep, that is it.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.